Welcome to Day 24 of the English Shadowing Challenge. Today, you'll learn useful hotel check-in phrases that help you speak clearly and confidently when you arrive at a hotel. Shadow with me in 3 paces: very slow, slow, and medium, so your pronunciation becomes smooth and natural. Let's begin.
I have a reservation. I have a reservation. I have a reservation. My name is. My name is. My name is. I booked a room online. I booked a room online. I booked a room online. Do you need my ID? Do you need my ID? Do you need my ID? What time is check-in? What time is check-in? What time is check-in?
Is breakfast included? Is breakfast included? Is breakfast included? Can I have a room on a higher floor? Can I have a room on a higher floor? Can I have a room on a higher floor? Can I get a room with a view? Can I get a room with a view? Can I get a room with a view? Is Wi-Fi free? Is Wi-Fi free? Is Wi-Fi free? What time is checkout? What time is checkout? What time is checkout?
Can I have the room key, please? Can I have the room key, please? Can I have the room key, please? Where is the elevator? Where is the elevator? Where is the elevator? Is there a gym in the hotel? Is there a gym in the hotel? Is there a gym in the hotel? Can you call a taxi for me? Can you call a taxi for me? Can you call a taxi for me? Can I get a late checkout? Can I get a late checkout? Can I get a late checkout?
Is there room service? Is there room service? Is there room service? Can you help me with my luggage? Can you help me with my luggage? Can you help me with my luggage? Where is the nearest restaurant? Where is the nearest restaurant? Where is the nearest restaurant? Is there parking available? Is there parking available? Is there parking available? Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Great job completing Day 24 of the Shadowing Challenge. Keep practicing these hotel check-in phrases. They will help you travel with confidence and speak naturally in real situations. Join me tomorrow for Day 25. You're improving every single day.